Hello, and welcome to the Fogler Library tutorial about how to search for research materials using Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a version of the Google search engine interface designed specifically to help researchers search for and find academic materials. You can make full use of Google Scholar and the University of Maine's resources by setting up library links in Google Scholar. That will let Google Scholar know that you're affiliated with the University of Maine, so material that's available through Fogler Library will be accessible to you. First, go to the Google Scholar homepage, which sits at scholar.google.com. Then click on the menu link, which is the picture of 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner of the page. Click on the Settings option in the drop-down menu, and then click on Library Links on the left side of the page. Type University of Maine into the search bar and then click on the magnifying glass next to the search box. Check the box next to University of Maine full text at UMaine, then click Save. Going through this Google Scholar interface process means that when you search in Google Scholar, you'll see a link labeled full text at UMaine next to any article Fogler Library subscribes to. The interface for Google Scholar looks a lot like the interface for Google. Below the search box, it asks if you're looking for articles or case law. Generally, you'll be looking for articles, so you'll want that option to be selected. If you go back to the menu link, you can access Google Scholar's advanced search. You can specify whether you're doing a search that includes all the words in your search term, the exact phrase in your search term, at least one of the words in your search term, or without the words in your search term. For example, if you're searching for the word march because you want to find information about musical marches, you could exclude words like exercise or month, so your search doesn't find articles about a different type of march or marching. Or, for an even more accurate search, you could include march and music in the all the words in your search term box, and then the search would only find articles or books where the 2 words both occur. You can decide if you want your search terms to appear anywhere in the article or just in the title. Or you can select an author whose work you want to search or a particular journal in which you want to search. Finally, you can select a range of dates. For example, if you only want to find materials published between the years 1996 and 2004. When you've conducted your search, there will be a set of options on the left-hand side of the screen by which you can change or narrow your search results. You have a list of options below each entry, including a list of other articles that have cited this one and citation information. Some search results may have links to the right. This means you can access them in more than one way through the article's host website or through Fogler Library resources. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have questions, please get in touch with the librarian using the contact information on the catalog homepage. We'll be happy to help you.